Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Okay, it is again asked in the 2017. So it is about the scheme. Again it is a scheme based question. Swayam. Okay. Swayam, a study web of active learning for young aspiring minds. It was launched in 2017 by the Ministry of Human Resources Development to provide one integrated platform and portal of online courses. This covers all higher education subjects and skill sector courses. The objective is to ensure that every student in the country has access to the best quality higher education at the affordable cost. So it is mainly focusing on the higher education. The academicians from hundreds of institutes throughout the country are involved in developing and delivering the massive open online courses. Through the Swayam is almost all disciplines from senior schooling to the post graduation. With this knowledge you can answer it. Promoting self-help group in rural areas? No. Next, providing finance and technical assistance to the young startup? No. Promoting education and health? Education is okay, but it is not about health and it is not for only for adolescent girl. So it is not. Providing affordable and quality education to the citizen for free. Yes. So the answer is D. See, in 2017 and 2018, there are more of factual questions only. Okay, more of scheme based questions. Okay, but this is not a trend at the present time. But UPSC what they will do is they will follow the old trend sometime. Okay, so there may be questions like that also. You have to be more aware of it and you have to prepare on that side also. Okay, thank you.